To replace the upper handle on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 9/16" wrench, a 7/16" wrench, and wire cutters. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 upper screws, securing the drive control handle housing to the upper handle. Detach the housing and use the wire cutters to cut any zip tie retainers to fully release the drive control cable from the handle. Now squeeze the bail arm to release the left side of the arm from the upper handle. Detach the brake control cable from the arm. Rotate the bail arm upwards to detach the right side from the upper handle. Cut any zip tie retainers securing the brake cable, then detach the brake cable from the handle. Next, unthread the wing nut to remove the starter rope retainer. Now use the 7/16" wrench to secure the nuts, and the 9/16" wrench to unthread the bolts, securing the left and right sides of the upper handle. Note the location of the adjusting bolts. Then unthread the 2 adjusting bolt wing nuts to fully remove the old handle. To install the new upper handle, align it with the lower handle sections and insert the left and right side mounting bolts. Thread the nuts loosely. Now insert the adjusting bolts into the appropriate holes. Thread and tighten the wing nuts. You can now fully tighten the mounting bolt nuts. Secure the brake control cable on the upper handle. Now insert the right side of the bail arm into the right middle hole of the upper handle. Insert the Z-end of the brake control cable into the hole in the arm. Then insert the left side of the arm into the upper hole in the handle. Insert the starter rope retainer into the handle and thread the wing nut loosely. Depress the bail arm and gently extend the starter rope. Position the starter rope handle in the retainer, then tighten the wing nut. Position the drive control handle assembly on the new upper handle and replace the 3 screws to secure. Use new zip tie retainers to secure the cables as required. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.